Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you this beautiful design team kit for the month of May. And for this design team kit I have invited Chantal. She's called Chantal Loves Paper on Instagram, and she also has her YouTube channel, and she just started up. So go ahead and take a look at her videos and show her some love. So thank you so much again, Chantal, for agreeing to create with these beautiful Maggie Holmes garden party items that I selected for you. And as I said, this is a designer's team kit, so she has some specialty items, and in your Maggie Holmes garden party kit there will be different items as well, so take a look at that video down below in the description box. So yeah, with no further ado, let me start and dig in. So this is the first item that she will be receiving, which is a variety of beautiful laces and also some pom-pom trim, a beautiful flower rosette here, and yeah, just a cute handmade tassel there. And this is also a handmade bow with faux leather. So that's for that one. Then for the second set of beautiful laces that she will be receiving, which is this beautiful white set with a pom-pom trim, some beautiful, yeah, different designs, different types of yeah, laces and trims. So yeah, she will have a variety to play with. So that's for that one as well. Then I also included a set of different flowers. Some of our like fabric flowers, other ones are from the Wild Orchid Crafts, other ones are from our local store. So she will, and also a foam flower there. So there's lots of variety to play with, and I even put in some beautiful like leaf trims there. This will also be included in the Maggie Holmes Garden Party kit as well. And yeah, I cannot wait to see what she will create with these. And I also put in a variety bag of different beads. Yeah, they are different sizes but also different materials. So I have some wooden beads in there, some felt beads, yeah, plastic beads, glass beads, so different kinds of beads. So I can't wait to see how she will use these in her projects. Then for the die cuts that I created myself, I will share them one by one, which is this one first. These are the beautiful cupcakes that are heat embossed. In the back I have two other colors. Some of them are more dimensional than others, so I just love to see the variation of that put to use as well. And I also put in some yeah, dimensional flowers, which are also yeah, so such a beautiful add-on to this collection. Then some beautiful elements like embossed hearts. So these are all heat embossed, and some of them have more layers of powder than other layers. So these will differ as well. Such a cute elements to make shakers with, or to frame items, or beautiful images with. So that's for that. Then I also included a set of beautiful frames with borders that are also part of the collection of Maggie Holmes. But this one is just a sort of chipboard piece, like so. Then I would love to share this item, which is a selection of several like stickers. The thickers are in there. There are also some chipboard pieces here and there. There's a dimensional flower here, and this one is the beautiful epoxy heart that they also have. So yeah, I put in a selection of all the yummy goodies of the sticker sheets, and yeah, I just cannot wait to see how she will put them all to use as well. Then I have some handmade paper rosettes, and they all have vintage paper on top and some beautiful crate papers. These handmade rosettes are made by Leonie, also a guest designer of mine. Thank you so much, Leonie, for creating these items. And they also have, forgot to tell you, mention there's a beautiful eyelash trim there, also yarn, I mean, in the background. So super cute. And again, this beautiful piece here, I just love that. So that's for that. Then I also put in a sticker sheet that she can use throughout the elements that she will be creating. And these are all word quotes, and then some frames, and here of course you can combine them together. So that's how I put them together, like so. Then there's a pocket here with ephemera pieces. I won't take them all out. She will share them one by one with you when she will open it up. And of course, these are beautiful add-ons to the collection as well. Then I also put in a teeny tiny bundle of different vintage post stamps in there. So a beautiful selection of enamel dots as well. And these have a, yeah, I don't know if you can, the camera picks it up, but they have a beautiful glaze glitter in the enamel dot, like so. Then I also put in a specialty items here that she will open up and share with you. And these are the two sticker pieces of the sticker roll. So this is how it will repeat itself. When you open up the sticker roll, you will see this pattern repeat itself in the roll. So yeah, so she will have a set of those as well. Put in a super cute pocket. Then I wanted to share with you these papers, and these are all just one-sided papers. And I do have 2 paper blocks left. So if you're interested in a full one-sided paper block of the Maggie Holmes garden party, just contact me as well. Especially if you live in the Netherlands, because I've seen in several stores they're not available anymore. But I still have 2 left. So if you're interested, please let me know, especially if you live in the Netherlands. So then I can put them aside for you, and you will have a full paper pack with the one-sided sheets of the Maggie Holmes garden party. So these are a few sheets that are in that paper pad. This is the first one that I added for her kit. Then this one with the beautiful cutter parts. This one also was one of her favorites. And this one as well. So yeah, these will all be included in her designer's kit. And yeah, that's all for now. And I just cannot wait to see what she will create with all these beautiful yummy goodies that will be posted up to her today. So stay tuned for that, for the unboxing of her video and of her kit. And also stay tuned for her design team projects. And I will put the link down below of her channel as well as her Instagram and all of my information. So then again, if you want to purchase the full paper pack of this one-sided Maggie Holmes garden party, contact me as well. Okay, I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.